All right, what's up everybody? So, yeah, this is cool. We're gonna be taking a look at the 750 Li BMW for 2012. Now, it says the ultimate driving machine. This vehicle, manufacturer's suggested retail price back in 2012 was $88,200. Then, when you added on the driver assistant package, that was $3,500. Ceramic controls, $650. BMW apps, $250. Destinations charge, $875. And then a gas guzzler tax of $1,000. You got a grand total here, MSRP of $94,475. So almost $6,000 shy of $100K. Whoa! Man, the car gets 22 on the highway, 14 in the city. And it's a 4.4 liter V8 twin turbo. My goodness, it's a beast. So anyways, some of y'all have seen them before driving down the roads, and you might not have realized these were once pretty much a $100,000 car. So, with no further ado, let's go ahead and get started. I'm Chad with Charleston Car Videos, and let's see what the 2012 750 Li is all about in 2021. Almost 2022. We're about a month away from January. Here we go. All right, y'all ready to take a look at the 750? Oh man, this thing's sweet. I mean, it's got so many options on it. It's also good looking. I mean, it's pretty. It definitely is for sure. But anyways, you know, before we can really dive into this car and start reviewing it, let's go ahead and wake it up. You know, we got to cut her on, because this car to me looks so good once you get everything all lit up. So anyways, let's hop in. So my daughter made a comment to me a few days ago. She says, Dad, I said, honey, well actually I said, honey, I said, sweetie, she's been, you know, my daughter's, you know, she's getting a little older now. She's been around me a lot, filming cars and all that. And I said, sweetie, my views just have started dropping a lot on my channel. Just not really getting all that many views anymore on videos. She said, Dad, stop filming with the phone. Stop editing with the phone. She said, get back to your old way and start filming with a camera. So that's what we're doing today. It takes a little more time to do all this stuff with a camera, but she said that's the way to do it. So we're trying. All right, we're cranked up. Not bad. Twin turbo. Yeah. All right, let's go back outside and take a look at her, right? I mean, she definitely is a beauty. And I guess we'll go ahead and pop the hood and all too, but and let's go ahead and pop the trunk. There you go. All those buttons are pretty close to where they need to be. I like how that trunk just opens up on its own. That's kind of neat. So anyway, since we're back here, well, it's a pretty big trunk. I mean, you got some room there. And it's got this little button you can hit and lower it and all that. So it's kind of like a power tailgate, but a trunk. And yeah, it's a trunk. That's really all there is need to be say about it. You can put your stuff in, you get down the road. It's got the ski through, you know, the piping goes under there. You know, you got a roadside assistance kit there and all that. So that's the trunk on the car. What else, right? Let's just keep looking while we're at it. There's a few little stains back here, which probably could be removed. That doesn't really go up anymore. See, I'm pulling on that, but a little bit of storage down in there. But that's really about it for the trunk inside the BMW. We're gonna hit that button, drop it down. You got your backup camera, backup sensors, dual exhaust. It's got tinted windows. I mean, it's definitely got the look, you know. Silver's the color on BMWs, silver, black. I don't know. I mean, we see a lot of Beamers in white too, but to me, silver and black is the BMW color, right? And at least in my opinion. Headlights look good. Yeah, them angel eyes. BMW Dynamic Xenon. Now, the headlights on these older 7 Series do start to kind of get a little bit oxidized and start, you know, the color of them starts to fade away a little bit. But let me tell you, folks, these headlights are not cheap if you wanted to replace them. Probably some aircraft grade aluminum. That's why that hood doesn't weigh a whole lot. But there's the heart of the vehicle there, right? The motor. The twin power turbo motor, as they write on there. 4.4 liter V8. It will get up and scoot for you, for sure. It's pretty powerful, and it looks good under here. It's nice and clean, but my goodness. That's a massive engine under there. Yeah, it's big. I wouldn't want to have to get under there and work on it, that's for sure. That looks like a lot of stuff to get rid of all this stuff and get in there and start tinkering on things. I mean, that's why the mechanics get paid the big bucks to work on that kind of stuff. I'll just stick to filming them and marketing them. I was told if somebody buys the car, we'll give them the plate with it. If you want it. Anyways, moving right along, you got your 20-inch wheels. Now this has got the M Sport package on it, so you'll see the little M badge in certain spots. Tires, probably, I mean, they're still got some tread there, but they are looking a bit worn. So it's probably time to get some new tires. These are 245/40 series on a 20-inch wheel. And some of the wheels on the car, they're probably, if you bought it, just drive it the way it is. Great if you're not real picky on things. But if you wanted like the perfect set of wheels, maybe just swap them out and get some aftermarket rims on this bad boy. But some of the wheels could be resurfaced. They do have some little curb marks on them and things like that. But again, that's why we've priced the vehicle at $19,500. It does have a little scratch right there on the mirror. You do have the heads-up display, sunroof, tinted windows. But as far as like the body, not a whole lot of dent stings or scratches for the most part. I mean, it's in really pretty good shape. I mean, it really is a beautiful car. All right, you got to see it a little bit on the outside. Let's take a look at the inside. Well, if you were somewhat popular, maybe a famous YouTuber or a TikTok star, or even somebody in Hollywood, the tinted windows then with the shade really gives you some privacy. You don't have to worry about people seeing who's in the car or taking pictures of you, right? So you got that. You can also drop them down as well, as you see I'm doing right now. And it does have a shade as well on this back glass. So if you got kids, like small babies or young kids, and you're worried about the sun just kind of getting in there on them, that's also helpful to have. Anyways, still got cigarette lighters, plenty of cubby hole spots. One little thing to pay attention to on Beamers, not back here so much, but on these front doors, right around this back side here, for some reason over the years, they start to get a little sticky right up in there. So tons of rear space in the back. Yeah, you got a lot of leg room. Plenty of headroom. And then up top, you got your vanity mirrors with lights on both sides. There's another one over there. Interior lighting. And then down here, you can change the climate in the back as well. And you have heated seats in the back. And it's got these little cushions down here, I guess you can rest your legs on, or your feet, to elevate them some. It doesn't have any little laptop tables that pop down. And then in the armrest, it's just storage. And then you got cup holders that come out. That's really about it. Some cars have more options in the armrest in the back, like seat controls and different things like that. Where it gets fun is up here. I mean, that's the fun spot. Look at that. Man, isn't that pretty? That's pretty darn cool. I can't believe it. I mean, it's basically, you could buy this for $20,000. All right, let's keep moving on. Also, doors are soft touch, so don't slam those doors too hard. All right. Okay, what do we got going on up here? Well, your steering wheel can be moved electronically, which is fine. It's got 98,279 on the miles. You got a nice, good-looking widescreen display, start-stop button. One thing I've noticed that's nice on this car is all the buttons aren't worn out where you can't see what they say. And down here, dual climate control, heated seats, cooled seats, all that. And then right here, you got your iDrive, just basic stuff that most BMWs have, the key, you know, the rest is pretty simple. All right, let's get the seatbelt on. I mean, not really a whole lot of complaints with the car, really, you know, when it comes to like the condition of it. I mean, it's really nice. I mean, there might be a few little things here or there, but at the end of the day, it is a used car. And, you know, most used cars are gonna have a few little things here or there. I like the backup camera, it looks good. You got the sensors and all that. You do have, I know it's hard to see right now, but you got a HUD display right up there, so it'll let you know how fast you're going up on the windshield. I thought only Corvettes came with that, but I guess BMWs do as well. And it's pretty comfortable. I mean, BMW says it right there on the window sticker, the ultimate driving experience. Oh yeah, it's got plenty of get up. I mean, this thing is freaking sweet. I love BMWs. I really do, man. They're just such nice cars. I've never owned one, and I know they can be a bit expensive to work on and whatnot, but I'm gonna tell you right now, 19.5 plus 500 sales tax, you're getting a pretty good deal on this one right here. So anyways, thanks for watching the video with me. I guess before we go, we'll kind of give a little shout out to the store here so you know where to come and buy it. And hopefully you can like, comment, and subscribe.